final stitch is done with a multiple of 6 plus 4. So I have 6 times 3, 18, plus 4, 22. And I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. So row number 1, you knit 1 stitch. Make believe that I just casted on my stitches. So knit number 1, knit 1. And then you bring your yarn to the front and pass 2 stitches purlwise. Bring your yarn to the back and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the repetition is, bring your yarn to the front, pass 2 stitches as if to purl, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring your yarn to the front, pass 2 stitches as if to purl, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last 3 stitches, bring your yarn to the front, pass 2 as if to purl, and knit the last one. Row number 2, you're going to purl 2 stitches. Bring your yarn to the back, pass 2 stitches as if to purl, and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do that repetition again. Bring your yarn to the back, pass 2 as if to purl, bring your yarn to the front, and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your yarn to the back, slide 2 as if to purl, bring your yarn to the front, and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 2 stitches, you slide 1 with the yarn in back, bring your yarn to the front, and purl 1. Row number 3, you're going to knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your yarn to the front, slide 2 stitches purlwise, bring your yarn to the back and knit 4. So let's do that again. Bring your yarn to the front, slide 2 stitches, bring your yarn to the back and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last 5 stitches, what you want to do is bring your yarn to the front, slide 2, and knit the last 3. 1, 2, 3. Row number 4, you're going to purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the repetition. Bring your yarn to the back, slide 2, purlwise, bring your yarn to the front and purl 4. And you do that all the way to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your yarn to the back, slide 2, and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your yarn to the back, slide 2, and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Row number 5, you are going to knit 3. Bring your yarn to the front, slide 2 stitches purlwise, and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the repetition again. Slide 2 stitches purlwise and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your yarn to the front, pass 2 stitches purlwise and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one you knit. Row number 6, you're going to purl 1, bring your yarn to the back and pass only one as if to purl. Bring your yarn to the front and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we start with our repetition is pass 2 stitches as if to purl with your yarn in the back and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pass 2 as if to purl and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last 4 stitches you are going to bring your yarn to the back, slide 2, bring your yarn to the front and purl the last 2. And that's it. You repeat these 6 rows for your pattern and look how pretty that is looking. I'm going to make more rows and take a picture of it so you can see what it looks like. Look how pretty that is. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.